middle of Chamonix, the famous statue of the first two guys to climb Mont Blanc. Here is a roundup of all of our good footage from 2019.
Touch your right. Keep coming. Okay, keep coming. Chest up. Touch the power. Touch the power. Chest up. Come in. Touch the power. Okay, good. Keep coming. Push harder. Push harder. Push harder. Push harder. Push harder. A little forward, try to help you. A little forward, taxi. Hands up now. Okay, a little bit more power. Full power, run. A break. That's it. Hands up slowly. That's it.
So what makes a good takeoff? What we're looking for, first of all, is preparation. Prior preparation prevents piss poor performance. Then you've got to commit to the inflation. Then once the wing's above you, it's about stopping it from overshooting you. We need to remove the roll, and we need to remove the pitch element of the wing. You need to check, not by looking up, because your weight goes back, you look to the side. We're going to get our body in the right position, so we're going to stand up straight, head up, we're going to apply a little bit of power. And this is the taxi. Don't go full power straight away. Making sure that everything is good, and then we commit to full power. And then it's about keep running. Don't retract your landing gear. Keep those legs down until you're at least 3 or 4 meters in the air. That is what constitutes a good takeoff, directly into wind.
Just a little bit your right brake. Just a tension on the right. That's it. Nothing more. Hey, kill your engine. Kill your engine. That's it. Very good. Don't do nothing. Hands up now. Very good. A little brake and flare. Turn around. Put the glider down. Good. Very good flare. Very good. Turn around. Put the glider down. Very good job. Okay. Mushroom with the glider. Go back.
Right here, toes to me. Yes, just a little pressure. Open your arms like this. That's it. One leg in front of the other. That's it. Hold, hold, hold. A little break in flat. Turn around, put the glider down. Very good. That's your first flight. Congratulations.
Okay, hands up. Alright. And a little flare. Hold, don't do nothing. Kill your engine. Hands up, go into the glider. Doesn't need it, huh? Okay, there's no wind. That's cool. That's it, bro. Yeehaw!
Hold, hold, hold in full flare. And run. Run, run, run. Put your... That's it. That's a good landing, man.
Yes, man. Thank you.
Cool.
So a good landing is yet again one that's into wind. We're making sure we're going on the right circuit pattern, downwind, crosswind on your base leg, and then a final approach. So we get out of the seat nice and high, preferably no lower than 50 foot. So you need to have killed the engine high. Then about keeping it into wind, having our landing gear down, and then doing the flare evenly at the right time. And run. You should be finishing your flare just before your feet touch the ground. The landing isn't over yet. You need to make sure that that wing doesn't come down into a hot exhaust or a propeller that's still rotating. So I hope that's been useful and educational. Stay tuned for the inevitable. You know what's coming. It's going to be the bad, followed by the ugly.